Eto naman, for my next episode, gusto ko hulaan din nyo kung sino ang magiging guest ko. Ito marami nagre-request sa akin ito na sana makasama ko siya sa isang vlog or something. And she is also very dear to me. So guess who? Clue, nasaan ako ngayon? Nandito ako sa museo and taga dito siya. So, nahuhulaan nyo na. I think meron na kayong idea. No? But I'm very, very excited to do this. Kasi we always have our pep talks. Pero first time namin gawin to on cam. And I'm sure marami tayong mapupulot na mga insights from her.
Marami din naman natatanggap na kamukha kita. And I love that compliment. Kasi naman, blooming, diba?
Oh my God. Napakaganda. Ito isang, minsan na naman, totoo, ayoko sumama sa isang picture. Biro lang. Pero, sobra. Ito, maski nung bata pa to. Talaga sabi ko, ang ganda mo. Gusto ko.
Ikaw yung nakadress. Ako yung nakadress. I love it so much.
Alright, but thank you for saying yes.
Thank you,
Ito naman din itong pamangkin ko. Ito isa sabi ko, Kylie, I need to interview. Oh yes, Tito, ikaw pa. Yes. Siya pa yung parang nataranta. Thank you very much, Kylie. And are you looking forward to this conversation?
Ngayon pa lang, I will invite you guys to watch it. I'm sure it's really good.
Yeah.
Kasi our conversations off-cam are really special to me. So, paano pa kaya pag na-share namin sa inyo?
Right. So, we're both looking forward and so excited. So, let's do this now.
Let's do it.
Alright. Please watch out for this one.